people, now welcome back to my channel today. Blessing CEO don't resume work for top Phyna head for this 2024. And also, Benita don come and come talk about Adekunle, her relationship with Adekunle since they break up for an interview where we say she get with Tasha. And lastly, fans don't come and come drag Shozy after they see am for inside Mercy Eke house. So for Tasha Friday talk show wey be say she dey always do, she invited Benita this time around. And since Benita and Adekunle relationship break, two of them just dey follow their own way, nobody dey even reason each other matter anymore. So for the talk show, and wetin be her name, Tasha come dey ask Benita say, babe, what's up with you and Adekunle? Say e don tey wey be say we still una two together. Say actually she wey be Tasha, she dey root for the both of them when she dey inside the house. Say but as they come out of the show, they not see anything about them again. So they not dey even see two of them together for gathering, all type of thing. So Benita come tell am to say, well, say Adekunle dey actually dey fine. Say but the boy him just dey do him own thing, and she dey do her own thing. Say because two of them dey in different parts. To me, I like the way Benita answered this question, because a lot of people they expect her to bash the boy so that another drama will come happen online. So I like the fact say she dey smart enough to dodge that question. So make we just see some few comments for under that thing where we say Benita talk. So the one person here come to say, well, just wish they will keep the same energy in reunion, less drama, less insult and argument. Though Adekunle will miss her more because he loved her more. To me, I no believe say na Adekunle love her more. For the Twitter space where we say I did today, between Adekunle and Benita fans, some of them they claim to say the reason why Benita and Adekunle relationship end, and because of that Aquafina tax where we say they do that, and where we say they give them award, may they give people, where Adekunle award carry own award give Benita, Benita come carry her own award give she instead. I can't be saying na Doyin where we say be Adekunle enemy safe, na I can't give Adekunle award. Say na be the reason why two of their relationship scatter. To me, that na lie, that na senseless. They just dey cook things where we say no dey there. The two of the relationship just not work out because of their own personal differences. Benita dey so domineering, and Adekunle the type of insult wey be say the boy collect from inside the house and outside the house, it was just too much. So for me, na so I see why na so I see the reason why two of them they no fit ever work out. So if Benita fit use this kind cool tone to answer this question for interview, I hope she go keep the same energy for reunion towards Adekunle. Me, I dey wish the two of them well. If you dey watch this video, you never subscribe, try make you subscribe. I beg, like this video, help me comment, drop your comment for the comment section, and help me share this video. And thank you. So onto Shozy matter. Shozy was a guest in Big Brother Naija All-Stars season. So when he dey inside the house, even though say for diary section, he dey tell Biggie to say he wants money from Biggie, all those type of things for a wedding. I just feel the guy was using it to joke, but the thing don't escalate online because people don't dey use and they mock him right now after they see him for inside Mercy Eke house. And I remember say for inside the Big Brother house, Mercy Eke promised Shozy to say if after a wedding, instead of him going to book an hotel so that he and the wife would do honeymoon, say make two of them come her house, come stay for their honeymoon. Her house for Ikoyi, make they go there, go stay for their honeymoon instead of renting an hotel. So some fans wey be say come see Shozy for inside the house, as he and the wife and the children and the pikin they play, they not the thing not sit well with them. They start to broke shame the guy. So the first person here can say, so he is broke, that's why he borrowed money from Biggie. And like I said, that money where be say Shozy talk for inside diary room, he was just saying it, not be something where be say he actually mean. So another one can say this one don't beg for house. Person wey actually watch Big Brother Naija All-Stars go see say na Mercy Eke offer the house to Shozy. For those of us wey be say no Mercy Eke we watch her even for wetin they call am for that their season, pepper dem season and this All-Stars, you go see say Mercy Eke na person wey be say if you really dey loyal to her, she dey sabi dey loyal to you somehow. And once she dey loyal to person, she dey go all out for that person. I see the way she and wetin they call am fraud dey move. Now you go know say those people they get each other back where they be like brother and sister sef. Then for Shozy, she likes Shozy a lot. For her to even be the best man for Shozy wedding, you suppose know say she really take the guy like a brother. So that make her come tell the guy to say, okay, stay for my house after your wedding. The guy no ask her, the guy no beg her, na she na volunteer to do am. So that person come for that come say, wow, Mercy Eke kept her promise. I love their friendship. The next person say, like seriously, I don't see any problem. We all sometimes go to another city or country and we stay there with our relatives, if not permanent, for few weeks. So why are you calling him broke? Why he lives in South Africa, he's in Nigeria for some time. This is what friends and relatives do. And if I'm not mistaken, Mercy told him why they were in the house. So nothing surprising. Like I said, na Mercy Ekene offer, no be say Shozy beg her. Well, Shozy not really send anybody anyways. Even if una drag am from now till tomorrow, that guy ain't go still enjoy the marriage, he go still enjoy the honeymoon. So everybody need to chill out. For Phyna matter and Blessing CEO, for those of una wey be say dey follow this fight between the two of them, as at 2023 during that December time, Blessing CEO come out and say she wan cease fire for the fight, the gbasgbos wey be say dey go on between her and Phyna. But as she make that statement finish, Phyna come go for an interview, go call out Blessing CEO name again. So that name wey be say Phyna call Blessing CEO again, Blessing talk say no, say for Phyna to come back at me for after I don talk say I wan cease fire, which means this year I go use her to set example. So she come out come say, is this not wet? You can't go screenshot all Phyna wig. Now if first use, you can't go bring out all the wig where be say Phyna don't use for all her podcasts. That's her podcast where they call Speak with Phyna. These now all the wig where be say Phyna don't use so far. So she can't now she can't use, they make this statement where be say she can't say, is this not wet and wave? Now jokes apart, if pride will allow her, I would like to legit gift this 26-year-old girl where her age no dey move from year to year a good wig. But if you people feel I'm insulting her or hair shaming her, I challenge her fans to give her a good hair. Not be to dey shout Fination. Abeg please just help her, or bad as e bad, make person collect her ATM card, withdraw money from her 5 million wey she get, buy her one good hair. The 5 million wey she dey refer to na that 5 million wey be say Phyna talk for her podcast, wey be say she talk say a guy give her 5 million naira. She come tell the guy to say make the guy send her account number, make he transfer the 5 million naira give her. More continue, come say, or tell her to maintain braids because this is getting too much. What is all this now? Or dear men, I challenge you to gift her hair this Valentine. So as she made this statement, Phyna fans they come dey insult her, dey drag her. She come talk say okay, she come say make she come out, make she come explain why she dey drag Phyna again. She come say, Blessing CEO, yes, but you said last year say you no go, you say you go leave Phyna. You come say yes, but she go for different podcasts, call my name, come pull her Phyna emoji. I dey answer her. She come like post where them dey drag me. So let me show her what a 70 years old woman can do to 26-year-old girl. Come pull her Phyna emoji. Now until she born, I go leave her small. Since this year start, Blessing will not really get anything meaningful to offer. She don't already see the way when I watch that skit where we say they do now, where that guy untouchable comedy do with her, where we say she called the cry. I don't believe say Blessing will go even cry. Say, with all the maths where she dey make online, she sees strong things, she sees shaggy, she starts crying. She don't see opportunity to say chase clout. Since this year start, she not really get any meaningful thing going on for her because she not see anybody to take chase clout with. Me Edochie wey she even used to start the cloud chasing this year, the woman no answer her, so there was no traffic. So now na Phyna matter, wig matter wey be say we don talk finish, they see you start am again. Well, both of them go dey alright. Una take care, una bye.